Integrating staff base lifts the load off of us and allows us to do more as a whole company. Hi, my name is Erin Cantrell. I'm the Senior Communications Specialist and I work for Seaboard Triumph Foods. At Seaboard Triumph Foods, I am in the Human Resources umbrella and I have 2 team members that work with me. We do external comms, internal comms, employee engagement, employee appreciation programs, and community relations. Integrating staff base to what we do at STF has just helped us be more collaborative. It's allowed us to empower other departments to fulfill some of their own communication needs, which takes some of the pressure off my team so we can do more. For example, our immigration team is there to support all of our TN visa team members from Mexico. And they need different communication needs because they have different policies and programs. So having the very technical admin rights that we can provide them so that they can produce their own information for their TN groups on their own channel while we can still be the sole owners and admins. It's just really empowering and, like I said, kind of lifts the load off of us and allows us to do more as a whole company. The greatest challenge we've experienced at STF, and I think it's something that many companies can relate to right now, is just the desire for more than a paycheck and the work-life balance, especially after the COVID pandemic. And I think manufacturing was kind of behind the curve on that. Manufacturing and frontline workers can't work from home every day. But that's something we're really striving for, is providing more to our team members. April, we're doing financial literacy classes, more awards and spot awards to appreciate our team members, and using staff base to complement that and showcase what we're doing to make sure we're getting the mileage out of it has really been beneficial. Something that's happening now because of the staff-based intranet at STF that wasn't happening before is the level of engagement they have for the type of job, which is really important because frontline workers in manufacturing don't always have the luxury of maybe the time to go to HR during their breaks or during lunch. So we've actually installed a feature on the app where they can just ask HR a question, contact them right away, and get their answer, whether they're at work or at home. It's really great at STF that we've been able to save on the cost of translations with the auto-translate feature. We can just directly translate to many different languages, which is really important for my team because we have team members from all over the world. They speak over 20 different languages, and having communication in their language so they can understand is very important to us. What I want people to know about the work that I do and the work Seaboard Triumph Foods does is just how awesome our team members are. And this is something we really highlighted with our Employees of the Year campaign. We actually took part of our advertising budget and made a special billboard campaign to put our Employees of the Year on the billboard on our local interstate to show the community that, hey, our team members go to your church or they go to the same grocery store, they're your neighbor, and they're really amazing people who do a lot to keep the food supply chain running.